Afternoon, everyone. Today we are going to have a short tour around Kuala Lumpur International Airport Terminal 1. This is one of the biggest airport in the world, and this is where a lot of international planes fly to. Today I'm going to take a plane to Miri from Kuala Lumpur using Malaysian Airlines, and here is what it looks like. Hope you enjoy the whole tour. This is the place where you can have your last minute shopping if you're here in Malaysia. There are lots of eateries and international shops. It's important to note that if you're coming here to this terminal, be here around 3 hours early because it's quite big and you need to check in time. 他们 international flight 好像 on the way. And 还有屋子啊，那边什么屋子？要去那个，应该是那个老哈基呀。嗯。There is also a McDonald's here if you love fast food, and if you are a McDonald's fan like me, you can get the burgers here. Sarawak.
现在哪一个呢？有讲 A、B、C 什么？
来了很多 luggage， 来了很多 luggage，
懂吗？
luggage。This is what it looks like if you get your passport checked at the immigration, and now we're heading to the boarding area where we're going to go to the plane and fly. This is what it looks like inside. There are more shopping to do here. Let's go and have a look at the world's most expensive coffee here. 是吧？这是最贵的 coffee. And now we're off to the plane. This vlog will end very soon. Thank you very much for watching. This is just a short tour around Kuala Lumpur International Airport 1. 有啊，还有很多，去看一下，慢慢看。
我出一个包，技巧，快上，哦，这可以做。
诶，没问题。还有nasi lemak dan semua sambal juga.
这可以。
Ini juga kan drink mail, jadi gitu. This is what the boarding area looks like. You wait here for a while before heading into the plane, and here a lot of people are already here waiting for the plane.